Hello everyone, my name is Anel and I come from 137 school. And I'm here to talk about my future profession. So let's start our reason why I choose current profession. So it is volunteering club. In 2022, I participated in Alpha Academy's volunteering club, where students were taught by me. And at the moment, I share with useful information and give lessons about English. And at the moment, I was happy and I understood that it was my passion. So let's start from history of teaching. In 561, Confucius started to give private lessons. It is obvious that he was famous private teacher. In Middle Ages, wealthy individuals started to hire private teachers to give their children education. And I want to give some facts about teaching. Well, first of all, teachers earn more than you think. Secondly, teachers get significantly more vacation time. For example, we don't go to school at summer times. And thirdly, teachers really do make difference. It means that they contribute help to society with their education. And